Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Games and Cubes. Today we're diving into the H permutation on the 3x3 cube. So grab your cube and let's start with this algorithm. I will show you how you can perform this algorithm, but I will also show you the way you can use your fingers. Now, what is exactly an H permutation? It is when I'm gonna show you. It is when the opposite colors are on the side, so opposite to green is always blue, and you see the green one here, and for red and orange it's the same, and you are gonna switch these four edges. The algorithm is pretty simple. You can just hold the cube any way you like, or at least the yellow square should be on top, and these ones should be, well, always one on the front and also on the top. So you rotate the middle layer twice, 1, 2, then a U, then again 1, 2, then again a W, 1, 2, again 1, 2, and then a single U, and 1, 2. And as you can see, you now solved the cube. So how do you do this with your fingers? I know there are better cubers than I am, and I'm just going to show you what I think is a fast way to solve your cube, but there are people that are a lot faster than me, so it's good if you're just starting to learn finger tricks. You can use this. So for the middle layer, I use my ring finger and the middle finger, and I push like this, 1, 2. So you can just practice 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And for the top layer, so normally if you perform a U, actually with the algorithm I performed a U inverse. But with the you can use both fingers for the U. So 1, but you can also do this one because it needs to rotate once. It does not matter what side it's going on. So it can be a U, it can be a U inverted. If you rotate the top layer double, if you do it with this hand, 1, 2. But because I'm using this hand already on the middle layer 1, 2, I need to switch to the top, and I'm not doing that, so I use the other hand and the same two fingers, so my index finger and the middle finger, 1, 2. And I can just bring it back in its original state. So let me show you one more time. So this is the H permutation, and this is how you solve the H permutation. 1, 2, U, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, U, 1, 2. And this is how you master this trick. So keep practicing, keep cubing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. And I will see you in the next video.